This is the back skirt, and we need to serge the portion of the side seams as shown here, as well as the hem. At the corner between the side seam and the hem, with the right sides together, join the short edge at 0.7 cm seam allowance. Do it for both corners. The corners are now seamed, and we need to trim off some seam allowance. Press the seam open and turn it inside out. We'll need to press the side seam and the hem neatly. The hem and portion of the side seams have now been pressed as shown. We'll now top stitch the hem. The hem has now been top stitched. This is the front skirt. You need to serge the portion of the side seams as shown here, as well as the hem. At the corner of the side seam and the hem, with the right sides together, seam up the short edge at 0.7 cm seam allowance. Do it for both corners. The corners are now seamed. We'll now need to trim off some seam allowance, press it open and turn it inside out. The corners have now been turned inside out, and the hem and portion of the side seams have been pressed neatly. We'll now top stitch the hem. The hem has now been top stitched. We will also top stitch the portion of the side seams as shown here. The top stitch to the portion of the side seam is now complete.